When I was diagnosed 23 years ago, the things that were available, the treatment options were available, had the label on them as standard of care. And standard of care, they were talking about average survival times of 2 to 4 years. And so I wasn't happy with the standard of care. I wanted, if there was any a possible hope for expanding that beyond those borders, that's what I wanted, and clinical trials were the promise for that. And so my initial care was the opportunity to participate in a clinical trial which expanded that boundary. Research, it's taken place in university settings, tertiary hospitals and so on that do that. But I had observed that in my experience as a physician and looking at the progress in any field, is that each institution doing the research built a silo or a wall around what they were doing. They were reluctant to share their own data. And with the mechanisms that have been set in place with HealthTree, it facilitates the tearing down of those silos. It's just a synergistic response in terms of sharing that data with each other, and I think it just accelerates the progress that gets made in research. It allows the disadvantages of a HIPAA to be overcome by allowing the patient, if they're willing to share that data, to the benefit of other patients as well as other physicians who are looking at a research pool and a data pool that is being collected and that would otherwise be not nearly as rich. I don't know of any other disease that has this kind of program that's really targeted to the utility of the patient. It opens the window of things that are available in this era when myeloma treatment options are expanding so wonderfully.